Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. You already know the examination date is published and application is available to be filled online since yesterday 5 p.m. in the evening, and this video is to let you know about the most important points related to the notification that was released. And before we proceed in the video, you can visit our description where you can find the details in order to avail our paid services. We do also provide the paid services for the counseling for NEET UG as well as NEET PG. You can contact us as well for the services as well as any query you need. You can send a WhatsApp messages as well. So the examination will be conducted in 13 languages. That's obvious. In multiple languages you will get the paper, and to ensure that candidate data is submitted fast, so they actually divided the form in two parts, the first set and the second set. The first set requires information need to be filled up before the last date of submission of application form. Okay, and last date of submission of application form is 6th of August 11:50 p.m. night. This is about the first set of application form that you need to fill, and the second set of information need to fill as a part of application form by the candidate before the declaration of result. Once you write the exam and download the admit card and write the exam, before the result is declared, they will notify you once again, and you will get the notification through NEET Mentor as well for the filling of the second set of information. This is just to speed up the process at the server side and for their own easiness. And both the sets are mandatory to be filled in order to make you eligible for the admission process or counseling process. Okay, the question will be of 180 MCQs. The paper will be of 180 MCQs, and the question consisting from physics, chemistry and biology. In biology, botany and zoology both. The timing for examination is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening and of 3 hours. So 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and you have to make your daily schedule such a way that your brain is most active between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. In case you have habit of taking rest or sleep during this period, automatically or psychologically your brain will be less active during this period. So don't get into such habit. You have to take question paper MCQs between this duration, so that your brain is adjusted accordingly to be in active mode during this duration. And the application form is already available from last date 13th of July 2021. You can fill the application form up to 6th of August 2021, timing 11:50. Last date of successful transaction, if you are doing the transaction through credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI or Paytm wallet, is 7th of August. So they have given 1 day extra in case you are doing the transaction for the application form through online media, Paytm wallet, UPI, banking, net banking or credit card, debit card. In case you realize that you have made any kind of mistake while filling the first part of the application form, which you have to fill before the examination is conducted and your result is your examination conducted, if you realize later point of time you have done a kind of mistake, then they will open a correction window between 8th of August to 12th of August. For this 5 days the correction window will be available, and we will notify you through this channel. Announcement of city of examination. Which city your examination center will be, it will be announced on 20th of August. Admit card will be released just 3 days before examination, which is on 9th September. You can expect to get your admit card, and 12th September Sunday is the date of examination. Duration of examination I already said 3 hours, and your result will be published on the official website you can see your examination center, date and shift for your NEET UG examination on the admit card. So that's all the important information regarding the notice that got published yesterday. Let me summarize. You have last date until 6th of August to fill the application form. 1 day extra is given to do the transaction if you are doing in online mode. Correction window will be open on 8th of August, will be available until 12th of August, and admit card will be released 3 days before the examination, that is on 9th of September. Examination announcement of CT of the examination will be happening on 20 of August. So these are the important information related to the notice published for NEET UG 2021 examination, and I will create a separate video for filling up the application form with all the queries that I received for so far, and will be resolving all the queries as part of that video, and will give you a step-by-step guideline how to fill up without any mistake, so that you don't have to repent later point of time. So thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and it is going to be very important platform for all NEET UG information, because we are going to post all state-wise deemed universities and government colleges cutoff for last year, including BMS, BUMS, BHMS and all other courses. So be connected with us. Click the bell button so that you get the information or updates as soon as we upload the video, and it's going to be helpful. We try to push all the important informations and which is relevant to you. So thanks for watching and have a nice day, and good luck.